Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to save Capcut video to your gallery. Okay, just simple, but before going to the tutorial, please click subscribe button and you can also click notification bell. You can get more videos update. Anyway, I think Capcut is one of the best apps because we can do everything while editing videos in one apps, and we can doing to split clips, resize video, mirror video, rotate. We can add audio, we can add text, sticker, overlay, effect, and many more we can getting from Capcut. So after finish editing the video, we can click the export button in the top right corner like this. Okay, just simple. So I think this video is especially for you who are using Capcut for video editing for the first time. So if you find it useful, you can click like, comment, share, and also subscribe, and you can click thanks button for appreciate and share. Thanks. Bye bye.